very close. You engage your frame a little bit. Your arms and your hands are relaxed. And you just shuffle away and let your arms rise up. You even let them come to shoulder height, just keep it slightly on your elbow. And then as you come back in, you're going to lower again. Second version, you're going to lift, so your forearms are about parallel with the floor. You're going to pull gently on your partner. You're going to keep this as you shuffle back. And we didn't really do this as much, but you can keep it as you shuffle back in too. Yeah? So then we took them, we started applying that to patterns. We mainly looked at left side passes, underarm turns, inside rolls a little bit. And basically the distinction between one extreme and the other extreme, and then kind of like in the middle. So the one extreme with the kind of relaxing the middle of the connection, we call that connection with contrast. On the left side pass, we would just let the hands entirely drop and relax until she gets far away enough that her hand starts lifting up again. Now with this, again, because it's just a drill in the workshop, follow with it and kind of like nose turn around because in real life that way it makes sense meaning-wise. Then the second one, we said you could even start a little closer if it helped. Keeping that tension the full time, not letting the hand drop. Same thing again, so it doesn't relax the entire time. Yeah? Then the third version, which we kind of advise you to do, involves a little relaxation, but not too much. We're never actually kind of getting to this floppy point. So it would be lead, relax, stay relaxed, and then we're finding the anchors you're back away. Yeah? So the basic kind of idea behind this, we looked at it with an underarm turn, is as a leader, I'm talking. If I'm talking loudly the entire time, I am pulling her through. Yeah? If I am whispering at a weird time, she won't know what's happening. Yeah? So the idea is that I give her, through the middle of the pattern, a second where things relax and she can stop if she wants to. Now she doesn't have to. The idea we had here was that follows try to kind of catch leaders by surprise, and leaders with relaxed behavior to pay attention. Followers, if you did stop, kind of putting a little tension into this hand in whichever direction, and then let it get anchored. And we just played a lot with that. We've rotated a lot